jump right back into my heart. Cause we could dance the night away. Make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid.
G'day everyone, today I am back discussing another Ford Ranger topic this time, and it is going to be the extended warranty on the EGR coolers that a lot of you may not know about. So this is something that I didn't know about as well until I seen a comment on one of my videos, and then essentially a neighbor of mine had an EGR cooler failure on his PX2 Ranger, which was a 2017 model, and he approached me on how he should go about fixing it. And I actually told him, I said, hey, ring Ford. I heard they've extended the warranties on them for 10 years and 240,000 kilometers. So his being a 2017, it was still under warranty till 2027. So he rang Ford, and essentially they told him, yeah, it's true. It has got an extended warranty. It's all covered. So they offered to pay for a tow. That initially he had to get the car towed when it first broke down. So that was about $400. So they offered to reimburse him for that. And then they said that they will send out a tow truck to take it to the closest Ford dealership. And it took them a little while. I think it took them about 4 or 5 weeks, something like that, before they booked him in for a slot. So Ford took his car, fixed it up for free, and didn't charge him anything. Essentially, he was pretty lucky that he did turn the car off when the EGR cooler failed, because I think he said he saw a warning light or a warning alarm come on once the coolant dropped to a certain level. And he pulled the car over straight away and turned it off. So he was fortunate that it was just the EGR cooler. Obviously, if you cook the motor, I'm not sure if that's going to be covered on the warranty. Obviously, a couple of other things to note. I doubt the warranty is valid if you don't have a service history. Like, they probably want to see that you have had the car regularly serviced, that you've had the coolant changed and all that sort of stuff. So I don't know the full ins and outs in regards to that. But I do know that Ford do honour the warranty. So if you do have an EGR cooler failure on a PX2 or PX3, ring Ford. There's a good chance that they're probably going to fix it for free, and it's going to save you definitely a few $1,000s.